Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to take our kettlebell inside pendulum and we are going to add a 90-degree rotating step. Just so you know, this one's really hard. In kettlebells, we tend to teach in a specific order. Front swing clean, as everybody learns in every style of kettlebelling. Then outside swing clean or outside pendulum, which is pretty easy. Inside swing clean, which is not easy at all. We're using the inside swing clean and we are adding a step to it. This is one of those drills which is really a brain step drill. Martial artists will find this movement in some forms of Kung Fu. It's not in a lot of other stuff, I'm not gonna lie. It's a pretty complicated weight-loaded step. It's not hard, but it's not easy, so just keep that in mind. Let's build the movement as we always do by starting from the thing that we all know, the kettlebell swing clean, and moving out from there. Hard style clean, push your hips back, push the weight back, catch at the top. Everybody should have done a couple 100,000 of these if you do kettlebells. It is the movement in kettlebells that makes you extremely strong, extremely quickly. We take that and we evolve it. Rotate outside, push, swing, pull, catch, push, swing, pull, catch. We evolve one step further. Outside becomes inside towards our center line, which is a pretty hard rotation for most people. Just like with all cleans, this movement comes from the hip. Rotate, sit in the same side leg. Push, swing, pull, catch. At the bottom, the opposite leg is doing the work. Push, swing, pull, catch. Now let's take and add a step. Let's put the kettlebell down to talk our way through this first. We're going to do our inside pendulum. On the pull, the opposite leg is going to step 90 degrees. Bring the kettlebell in, push, cross step, point your foot back the direction you want to go, rotate your second foot, load down. At the bottom, we are going to start the swing, step 1, pivot 2. Step, pivot. Bring the elbow in, stop. Push, step. Feet are rotated 90 degrees. Pivot, bring the leg down, bring it back up, and reset. Pick the kettlebell up the best way you know how. Front swing, clean, catch. Front swing, clean, catch at the top. Inside towards our center line. Push, load, pull, step. Now step across about the same time you're doing the push. Pivot that back foot and catch. Step, pivot, catch, step, pivot, catch. Take this one super slow. You can do a lot of things wrong in this exercise that will result in you swinging a giant metal ball directly into your knee in a direction it's not meant to bend. Use a light weight, 50% or lower. Go as low as you need to work on these movements. 50% of your clean weight. So go low. These are complicated movements with a lot of rotation in them. You should be pretty good at kettlebelling before you do these movements. Definitely be good at your normal cleans. 60% of that, outside cleans, inside cleans. When you add the step, you should be sub 50% of your heavy weight. If you're not used to doing these types of stepping exercises, go down to 20%. It doesn't matter. You would rather live through it and do all of your steps wrong with a light weight. If you hit yourself or you end up in the wrong spot, you're not gonna rip your spine in half. If you try to do this with your heavy weight and you do it wrong, which you inevitably will, you are going to mess yourself up. Just don't do that. Train smart so that you can train more so you can get better.